Hey guys, Sonny here, back in our video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Sonny Fodera kind of style deep house. So the final result will sound like this. Just like that. So even these presets and more presets like this, make sure to check Dirty Tech 4-in-1 in the description down below. In that preset pack you will get all the presets you need to make this kind of style of music, like Sonny Fodera. So now let's dive into the presets. First I have the bass line. And we have the lead sound like this. So first we're gonna make the bass line. So we're gonna select the presets. For us in A we're gonna go for the basic Moog. 1 octave down. And wavetable just around here. Then we're gonna go over the sine wave for the analog sine for oscillator B. With 2 octaves down. It's gonna be the real low sub of the bass line. That's like FM from B. So around here, this will add some more drive to the sound. Then we're gonna filter it. Some more drive, fatness. And the cutoff around here, we're gonna use low 12. And that's some mono legato, always, portamento. So add some more slide to it. And that's it for oscillator, so now the effects. First some hyper dimension, a little bit of hyper, and some dimension. Just to make this bass a little bit thicker. Same for the chorus. With a low pass effect, with a mix just around here. And then we're gonna use some hard clip distortion. Sounding like this, so drive around here, mix around here, and give it a high cut, just to make sure there aren't any highs in the bass. And that's some OTT, with the gain just on here, and the highs all the way down, mids a bit down as well. Now we're gonna EQ the sound a bit, so drag down the highs. And boost the mids a little bit. And that's it for bass line, so now let's dive into the leads. So the leads sound like this. So starting preset, the main sound is gonna be a saw wave with FM from oscillator B. And then for one shape like this. With a 1/16th trigger. And right to the level. And FM modulation. And then we're gonna shape oscillator B, we're gonna go for the square wave. Put up 1 octave and 7 unisons to give a more detuned sound. And then we're gonna filter it with the low 24. Cutoff around here, LFO1 to the cutoff. Some drive fatness. Some mono legato always, and portamento for some slides. Shape LFO1 a bit more like this. Now we're gonna dive into effects with a little bit of hyper, some dimension. As you can hear, this open up the sound a bit more. Then some Dire 2 distortion. With a mix from here, and FO1 to drive. Just to give the sound some more attack. There's some chorus with a mix just around 25%. Some EQ, the low cut, and FO1 to the frequency, just around here. And we're gonna boost the highs a bit. And then to finish it off, we're gonna give the sound some more reverb and delay, sounding like this. And that's it for presets, so all the sounds together will sound like this. And that's it for the Sonny Fodera kind of style drop. So if you want these presets and more presets, make sure to check the link down below. If you like the video, please leave a like, see more, and the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.